Hi and welcome to In the Can. Today I'm going to make almond chicken. So we'll start with a couple tablespoons of oil in my pan. Now I've cut up 2 chicken breasts. You can use chicken breasts or chicken thighs. Now I'm just going to brown these chicken breasts, this chicken a little bit. So let's do this and we'll be back in a few. Okay, now that my chicken's got a little bit of color to it, I'm going to add some sliced mushrooms. I got about a cup here, but I had some old mushrooms I needed to get rid of, so you could use half a cup or cup. Saute that. Oh, the garlic smells good. And find my ginger. About a teaspoon of ginger. Although it doesn't call for it, I added some chili, crushed red pepper flakes. And I'm going to add about 3/4 cup of water. And it calls for a red bell pepper. I had some small red bell peppers and small yellow peppers, so I used some of both. I've got a 8-ounce can of bamboo shoots. I'm going to use about half of it. And an 8-ounce can of water chestnuts. And I'm going to use about half of it. So there'll be some crunch in here. And I'm adding some, what is this? This is a 8-ounce bag of snow peas. Now my water is almost cooked off, so I'm going to add another 3/4 cup of water. Then I'm going to add about 1/2 cup of whole almonds. Three tablespoons of soy sauce. Two tablespoons of mirin. What was 1 tablespoon of mirin? Because I've got a 1/2 tablespoon here that I'm measuring with. 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. Let's get the rest of the mirin in there. I'm going to add a 1/2 tablespoon of cornstarch to thicken this broth up, thicken it up. Cornstarch all stirred in. thickening up, I'm going to get myself a plate. And place some brown rice on it. Turn off the fire and plate up some of this. And there you have it. Give it a little taste. Mmm. That tasted pretty good. So, please like the recipe. Please subscribe if you haven't. Hopefully you enjoyed this and you'll give it a try. And I'll see you again next time. Bye.